The figure shows a blueprint of a dining room, kitchen, and living room. Each square has a side length of 1/4 inch. Tile costs $7 per square foot. What is the cost of the tile for the kitchen? Okay, so since we're talking about the cost of the tile for the kitchen, we're going to be tiling everything, which means we need to find the area of the kitchen. Okay, so looking at this, we know that each square has a length of 1/4 inch, so that's going to be 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and then 4/4, and then 5/4. That's going to be 5/4 of an inch, or 1.25 inches. Okay. Then looking at this side, we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. That's going to be 3/4 of an inch, or 0.75 inches. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to actually convert this into real life dimensions first. So we see that 1 inch is equal to 16 feet. So we can say it's 0.75 inches. Okay, we're going to go from 1 to 16, so we're going to times by 16. So I'm going to times this by 16, and that's going to be equal to, and grabbing my calculator because my brain's not working at the moment, we have 0.75 times by 16, which is equal to 12. Okay, which means that this side of our kitchen in real life is going to be 12 feet long. Okay, now for this next one, we're going to do 1.25 inches times by 16 in order to find out the length of this. So taking our calculator, we have 1.25 times by 16. It's going to give us 20. So we know that for the long side here, right, of our kitchen, that's going to be equal to 20 feet. So that's going to be 20 feet. Okay, now that we have the length and the width of the kitchen, we can find the area of the kitchen. The way that we're going to find the area of the kitchen is we are going to do 12 times by 20, which is going to give us 240. Okay, so we know it's going to be 240 feet squared for the area of our kitchen. Now we know that it costs $7 per square foot. Well, we have 240 square feet. So we're going to times this by the $7 per square foot to find how much it's going to cost. So what we're going to do is grab our calculator. We're going to take 240, and we're going to see we're going to times that by 7, and that's going to be equal to 1680. So we have $1,680 that it's going to cost to tile the kitchen. So let's go ahead and plug that in to make sure that we did this right. So we have $1,680 to tile the kitchen. And we are good.